Now, you may have noticed when the apples or the bombs go off the screen, then no more new ones come. And all we're doing there is turning the bomb or the apple invisible, and it keeps going, even though we don't see it. So we can fix that. Let's make a function inside the apple called resetMe. And we are just going to copy these lines here, this image frame, and everything that tells the position or whether or not it's an apple or a bomb. And then down here in the update statement, we can say if this y is greater than game height, then call this resetMe. And also, out here in our state main where we're turning it visible, we can say apple.resetMe. And then, of course, now, though, we have to call it inside the constructor. Otherwise, we get 10 apples all in the same place. There we go. So now, whether they go past our basket or we catch them, we'll continuously have more. And we can spread them out a little bit more by making the y position more. And then we'll add more apples in over here in state main, and we'll say 20, for example. And we can spread them out a bit more by saying over here in apple, let's change that 300, the 600, because that's nearer to the height of the game. There we go. That's much better. And also, we have far too many bombs. Right now, it's at 50% instead of what we need, maybe like, oh, I don't know, 10%. So we can take this here, and say var bomb chance equals 0 to 100. And if bomb chance is, let's say, less than 10, so that'll give us a 10% chance that the image will be a bomb. And otherwise, on the reset, we need to set that back to 0, or otherwise it will always be a bomb and never change back. So let's see, we should have a lot fewer bombs now. And the last little thing I'm going to do is put the basket in the center of the screen. Align center this basket. Now that'll put it in the center of the screen, both on the horizontal and the vertical, but then we're setting the y position right after that. There we go, great.